here we have the Lexus key, the older style for anybody curious. What you want to do is push that little button here, and what that's going to do is you push that in, and that's going to indent and allow you to pull out the key fob from the key. So you're going to go ahead and pull that out like so hard with one hand, but like that comes out, and that's going to reveal your little bit in there, which you can see that little line in there. That recess is where you're going to put something to split it open. So once you get something that you're able to pry that open, that literally just pulls apart quite easily, like so, and you can just do that to get unlocked, and that pops open, and then that's going to reveal the space where you're going to put the battery. So again, we can pop that open. It's got an arrow pointing upwards with a plus side. It's a CR2032 3V. So we're just going to go ahead. So this little piece clips off at the side, so you just use something thin like this tool here to pull that open, and then you can replace that battery like so. And I'm just going to use these ones I have from the previous battery repair when I had to replace the Lexus LC battery, which is a whole separate video because it's a different key fob. But yeah, so that's going to go in here, plus side facing upwards, and then that's going to go back over, clip that in that way around, we hand it like so, and that clips, as you can see, with the arrow pointing upwards. And then we're going to smoothly put this cover piece back on to the top. That snap fits over, and then we're able to slide that key back into the fob, and then you can see it's now lighting up. Voila! That is how you replace the key battery on your Lexus key fob.